Hello there guys, and in this tutorial we are going to review everything we have learned from the last checkpoint up until this point. Okay, so what did we learn? First of all, we said that shell scripts are files that contain commands alongside some shell scripting keywords. Then we said that you should use shell scripts to manipulate files. If you find yourself manipulating strings or doing arithmetic work, you should use another programming language. We also said that the line which starts with this right here, which is a hashtag and an exclamation mark, is called a shebang. Then we also mentioned that comments start with a hashtag, and basically this line is ignored by the interpreter and it only serves for humans to read it. Then we said that you should use single quotations unless you have a very strong reason not to. Okay, that's sort of a rule of thumb to sort of alleviate you from unnecessary expansions where you don't want them, that the shell doesn't accidentally expand some things. And that's a rule we actually established a long time ago, but now we actually discussed why is this rule actually established. That is, we discussed the reasoning behind this rule. Then we discussed special variables, and we said that, for example, the $1 corresponds to the first argument, which is passed to your shell script. And basically, the $sign expands the first argument, which is passed to your shell scripts. And then we said that exit codes tell you how did the command do. The exit code of 0 actually tells you that everything went okay, and the exit code of non-zero tells you that something went wrong. We also said that conditionals follow the logic of if this then that, and if not this then the other thing. And basically the if not this part is abbreviated as else. And you can also have elifs in between the if and the else to test for other specific conditions. Then we talked about logical operators. We said that they are used to combine tests together. So we have the AND logical operator and we have the OR logical operator. If we use the AND logical operator, both the left and the right condition have to be satisfied for the body of the statement to be executed, and by the body of the statement I mean the commands which should be executed if the conditions in the statement are true. And the OR logical operator tells us that either left or the right condition, so not both of them, by either left or the right, should be satisfied in order to execute the body of the statement. Okay, we also said that you can test for various conditions in a test. We also said that you should use a case statement instead of a bunch of elif statements. Then we said that for is used for iteration, and we said that after we covered the for loop, we said that command substitution, which is written like this, and basically the command goes into these parentheses right here, is used to put the output of the command in a variable or to pass it as input to another command. And we showed both of these examples in the tutorial which covered command substitution. And then we also said that you can read user input with the following. So you can write read, and then you write the variable name in which you want to store the user input. Okay, so we covered a lot of that. I know it's been a lot, but I hope that you kind of got a sense of how to write shell scripts. And I think I covered all of the programming constructs that I used and which I think are going to be useful for your shell scripting adventures. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial. Hope you'll recommend the series, like the series, share the series, subscribe, and everything. And I will see you in the next tutorial. Talk soon.